movie. Megan. So join Discord and watch movies with us, friends. Yeah, we started watching another one that was not really good. Not good at all. And Casco said, let's watch this one. So we switched for this one. Megan was fine until she got some bad commands. Innocent Megan. The other one, how was called? Casco? Something with sadness. I don't know, something with sadness. I don't remember. Cal Scott knows. Was that bad that I don't even remember the name? The Triangle of Sadness, yeah. Okay. I managed to remove the papers without breaking them or anything. Yeah, and Casco defend Megan, as you can see. And I'm scared. Should have guessed by the title it's going to be bad. It was really bad. I'm gonna take a plate so I can deal with each of these at a time. Triangle of Sadness. I just saw that today and it was incredible. Just start really slow. It's totally not what you think it is. The movie comes out of nowhere and takes you by surprise. We saw more than 30 minutes, I think, out of it. And Crashgo, look, people say it's good. I don't know. We saw more than 30 minutes and was like, when it starts, where is she? Are you sure it was sadness and not sorrow? It was with two supermodels having an argument. Yeah, that one. That one. Yeah, that one. Oh my God! Look at this beauty! Oh, look at this pretty cannoli! Look! Thought it might be good on the ball, but just carried on the same with Woody Harrelson. Didn't appear. We didn't even saw him. Just heard him through the door. Yeah, we didn't even saw him. Holy cannoli!